Hey, boys and girls, welcome back to our study guide. All right, so here's our study guide right here. Let's add some good problems to it. So, quiz on evaluating exponents in order of operations. All right, so here's the evaluating exponents section. So let's do a few of these in the section to make sure we know it. So we're ready for our quiz. And if we're already done with our quiz, we're going to make sure that we are ready for the next quiz. So 6 squared is not 12. That's 6 times 6. What's 6 times 6? Oh, yeah, 36. Circle your answer. Nice job. Okay, -3 to the third power. All right, so that's -3. Always write an expanded form first. -3 times itself 3 times. All right, so I take it one step at a time. -3 times -3. Negative times negative is positive. Times negative. 9 times -3 is a positive times a negative is -27. There we go. So -3 to the third power is -27. All right, last one of this section. Let's see if you can do it. Pause the video. Go. All right. So this is 4/5 times itself 4 times. So we have 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 on my numerator. All right. So 4 times 4 is 16. Times this 4. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 2 is 64. Okay, so 4 to the third, that's 16 times 4 is 64. But I have one more 4 there, so I'm going to keep going. Multiply by 4 again. So 4 times 4 is 16. Bump the 1 to the tens place. 4 times 6 is 24. Plus 1 is 25. So 256. So 4 to the fourth is 256. Now 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. All right, let's try that. So 5 times 5 is 25 times this 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2, 125. Plus this. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2 is 12. Bump the 1 to the hundreds place. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. 625. There we go. 256 divided by 625. There we go. So 5 to the fourth is 625. 4 to the fourth is 256. Great job. Nice work. All right. So let's keep going. Let's do order of operations. So here's some problems. If you already ran out of room here, you could always do it on the back, you know. So 9 minus 3 plus 4. We always write this. So this is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, left to right, and addition and subtraction, left to right. There we go. So I just have addition and subtraction in the first one, so I'm going left to right. So that's 9 minus 3 is 6 plus 4 is 10. There we go. So make sure you subtract first because I'm only on this level. All right, next. I have division and addition. So division is first, and then addition is after that because division is higher. So I'm going to divide first. 12 divided by 4, which is, 3, plus 5, which is, 8. So 8 is the answer there. All right, try this one. Ready, set, go. All right, let's see. I have division and multiplication. So I'm doing subtraction last because subtraction is down here. But if I just have multiplication and division to do and none of these, I'm going to go left to right. So I'm going to do this first right here. So 15 minus 6 times 2. Then I copy it down right after. 15 minus 6 times 2, which is 12. 15 minus 12, which is, 3. Okay, 3 for that one. One more. 3 times 8 minus 9 minus 7 to the third power. All right. So we have PEMDAS here like this. And we're going to, I see exponents. I'm going to do that first. So 3 times 8 minus, even parentheses. I have parentheses. I totally ignored that. We have parentheses. We got to do parentheses first. 9 minus 7 is 2 to the third. Oh, now I have exponents. So I'm going to do that. 3 times 8 minus 2 to the third. 2 times 2 times 2. That's 4 times 2, which is 8. All right, so 2 to the third is 8. 2 times 2 times 2. All right, so I have multiplication and subtraction. So multiplication comes first, then subtraction is lower. So I do that. 3 times 8, which is 24, minus 8, which is, 16. Great job. Excellent work, everybody.